Next thing that I want to do, and ladies, I'm going to ask you all to tune me out for about 3 minutes, okay? Because I'm not talking to you right now. I'm going to ask every man in this room to stand to your feet so I can look at you. Men, we need your help. This is a year God has been very specific with us where he wants to move men back into the role of leadership he's called us to, but he needs us to be willing to step out of the seats we've been so happy to sit in. So I am challenging you. Number one, we have a renovation we need to do downstairs for our children. I need your help. We need to paint the entire downstairs. And men, I want us to lead this renovation. When I was praying to God, like, okay, God, how do I help them really understand what it is you're desiring of us? Here's what God challenged me with. He said, there's some things that you want to have happen in your house, right? And I said, of course, yes. He said, then tell the men that how they treat my house is how I'm going to treat theirs. If there's some things that you want done in your home, in your life, in your marriage, in the life of your wife, your children, your finances, what I am challenging you to do, and I feel like God is backing me on this, he's saying, come out and treat his house the way you want him to treat yours. So I am challenging you to step out of the chairs, to be counted in this number. I need you for 2 weekends, the first 2 Saturdays of March. We can get this entire downstairs painted if we as men come together. I had a whole nother group in first service. So between first service and second service, men, we can knock this out and have fun while we do it. So here's what I'm asking you. I need your name and your phone number saying, Pastor Jay, I'm ready to get to work. We want to hang out with you. We want to spend some time with you. We want to build some relationship with you. And we want to work on this church so that we can provide for our kids. They deserve the best. And they need to see men out here doing it to give it to them. Amen. So men, sign up.